We do approximately 900 acres between field corn for silage and some green peas for cannery and some sweet corn this year for the cannery also. Well, we started using the additives on the phosphorus. Number one, we thought we might be getting some phosphorus tie-up because we do have a low pH here all the time and we have to use quite a bit of lime. And then George came to us with a veil and the possibilities of what it could do for us. So we went ahead and tried it last year then. Well, we've used the veil on field corn only so far. And last year we had 885 acres. But we used the veil on our banding material that we use dry banding with our corn. We can't use liquid here because of our leaching problems, you know, the amount of rain we have. And we put the veil on our banding to protect the phosphorus, and consequently we cut our phosphorus rates about 25%. So then when we came back in the fall and did our fall soil tests, even at a 25% reduction in our banding rate, our phosphorus rates were exactly the same or slightly higher than they had historically been the previous 5 years. Because we do soil tests every fall, every field. Well, the results we've seen with the veil is we had basically the exact same yields as we have had historically in the last 3 years, with a 25% reduction in fertilizer applied. Well, we're using the veil in monitoring our soil tests in efforts to keep our phosphorus numbers low so we don't run into environmental problems with leaching phosphorus out of the ground, because almost all of our ground floods. So we have to be careful about our phosphorus levels along with our nitrogen levels, which are monitored by DOE anyway, to stay within acceptable levels so we're not polluting our waterways and such. The results that we've seen so far have been nothing but positive. The product didn't impact the dry fertilizer and cause any application irregularities. We saw no crop damage or crop yield reductions or anything from it, so everything looks to be positive at this point. The one plus that we saw with the veil that was totally unexpected was, since the fact that we used dry fertilizer and we applied less per acre, consequently we had to haul a lot less fertilizer, and we could get many more acres, well, not many more, a couple more acres per planter load than we normally did, which was kind of an unexpected side benefit. We're going to use the veil on everything again this year, both the field corn and sweet corn.